Introducing the Ball Segmentation and Tracking System, a computer vision-based application designed to automatically detect, segment, and track balls in sports video frames using advanced image processing techniques. Accurately tracking balls in sports videos is challenging due to motion blur, varying lighting conditions, background noise, and different ball colors. Manual tracking is time-consuming and error-prone. This system provides an automated solution by combining color-based segmentation, morphological processing, and motion analysis to reliably identify ball positions across video frames. The processing pipeline includes region of interest masking to remove irrelevant areas, HSV-based color segmentation, morphological operations for noise removal, and optional frame differencing to enhance motion detection. The system supports detection of white, yellow, and orange balls, interactive frame-by-frame analysis, real-time visualization, and batch processing of video frames. To evaluate segmentation accuracy, the dice coefficient is used. Predicted masks are compared with ground truth masks, and performance trends are visualized using interactive plots such as histograms, box plots, and line charts. The Streamlit-based interface allows users to inspect original frames, masked regions, segmented results, and ground truth comparisons in a clean and intuitive layout. The project is built using Python, OpenCV, NumPy, Pandas, Streamlit, Plotly, and Pillow, ensuring efficient image processing and interactive visualization. This system can be used in sports analytics, computer vision research, object tracking studies, and as a strong academic or final year project demonstration. The Ball Segmentation and Tracking System demonstrates a practical and modular approach to object segmentation and evaluation, making it a powerful learning tool for computer vision and sports analytics.